Hi, I'm Ming. I'm the Squarespace website designer and developer. In today's video, I want to share how you can redirect your page for your blog collection page or your summary blog for your collection page. So there are two ways. First, this is the blog collection page, and you can actually redirect your audience for your blog post to another page. So what can you do? So you can go back to your blog collection page here, and for each post you can set up the redirect URL. So the first thing is like for example this post, I can go back to the settings, and in the content tab, and you scroll down, there is a source URL tab here. You can redirect your audience from this blog post directly to a new URL, so they won't see your blog post. So you can have a URL for any page on your website or to an external web page. And you have to remember to toggle on link post title to source URL. So like in my example here, when I click on the title, it directs the audience to the Google page. And if I go to this read more link, it will also take my audience to the Google. And this is how you can do it. However, if you want to have a summary blog for your blog collection, like this page, I have my page here, and I add a summary blog. For example, like if I go to any pages and if I edit it and I add blog and I type summary blog, then you will go to this, you will have this tab, and you can select any page you want, blog page you want. So if you click, if you choose the blog page, and then you will see it like this. The blog post in the summary blog, unfortunately, it is not. Your link is not redirected to the post you added in the content tab. Like for example here, this tab, if I like the title, if I click on the title, it takes me to the Google. But if I click on read more, it takes me to the blog post. But that's not what I want. I want my audience to go to the external page on Google. So how do we fix that? In this video, I will share the simple way to fix your problem, but it's a bit tedious. If you will see what I can do here. So I will use the jQuery to fix the problem. So then I will go to the code injection, and you can go to the custom code here, and here is the code injection, and you will have to add this jQuery library, and I will link this I will leave this link in the description box, so then you can easily just copy and paste it here. And then for the blog post, for the page that you have your summary blog for the blog collection, you need to write a jQuery code. So we first need to go to the settings tab and go to advanced. So here you need to put some code here, and I have some code written already, so you can just copy and paste it, and you can find them in the description box. So basically what it means here is that when I click on this link, blog/1, so that is the URL, of my blog post, this one. So if you name your blog post for example, to read here, or this is your URL for your blog post, and then this is the URL you want your audience to visit, so you can paste them here. And with that, we click on save, and then we refresh the page, so then it will take me to Google. However, with this code, you have to do it one by one for each post. So like for the second post, it is not if you click on it, it will take me to the blog post. It is not set up to be redirected to Google. So we have to go back to the settings to the new page and go to advanced. And then I need to copy the code, and then copy the code. So like in my second post, it is named my domain name /blog/2. So I have to change it to /blog/2. So you have to check what is the URL of your blog, your post. So if your post is journal, then you have to change the blog to journal, and then here is your URL slot for your blog post. So if I save it and then refresh the page, I will go back to the new page. This is the page where I have my summary block for the blog post, and I click on this second post, and this one is have the URL of /blog/2. Then I click on this one. It takes me to the Google page. So this is what you can do. However, with this method, it's very tedious. Like if when you create a new post for your blog, you have to add a few lines for the new post. So if you want to make it easy, then if you don't want to have so many lines for this, do so many work for every time when you create a new post, then you can contact me. I can customize a solution with coding for you. So I hope you find this video helpful.